Welcome to our comprehensive course on electric and hybrid vehicle engineering. Whether you're a newcomer or someone seeking to deepen their understanding, this course is designed to cater to individuals at every level of expertise, making complex concepts accessible through straightforward explanations. Throughout our journey, we'll delve into the fundamentals of electric mobility, covering everything from plug-in hybrids to fully electric vehicles. We've intentionally crafted this course using simple technical terms, ensuring that participants can easily grasp the intricate concepts presented. Expect to explore the intricate details of electric vehicle components and architectures, delve into the nuances of electric motor technology, dissect battery pack design and technology, and understand the critical design requirements. We'll also demystify charging system technology, shed light on testing procedures. This course is tailored for a broad audience, but it's particularly beneficial for individuals embarking on a career in the electric mobility industry. So, whether you're just starting out or looking to enhance your knowledge, join us on this exciting journey into the world of electric vehicle technology.